Good morning, beauties. Welcome back to my channel. I am losing my voice like horribly right now. I'm recovering from being sick and my voice just won't come back to me. Right now it actually sounds pretty good, and like normally when I try to respond it sounds whack, so it kind of goes in and out. But this morning, as you guys saw, I just did some morning mat Pilates and it felt so good. I haven't done mat Pilates honestly since moving here, so in over a month, and it just feels really good to get back in the swing of things. Honestly, I just really felt like doing Pilates today, so I'm really happy that I did that because it felt so good. This week's vlog is, I have a good feeling about, I'm feeling re-inspired again. I know last vlog I told you guys I was kind of feeling uninspired recently, but I do think I got a bit of it back, so hopefully my voice comes back soon so I can like actually chit chat and stuff with you guys. You guys, I feel like I am so pale. Like, it's September and I already lost all of my summer tan, like hello. But thankfully I brought a bottle of my Coco and Eve self tan from the States. She may come out to play. Yeah, I just wanted to welcome you guys to the vlog. Welcome back if you've never been here before. My name's Alyssa. I just recently moved to Amsterdam, Netherlands from the United States. And I do weekly vlogs, lifestyle content, makeup, beauty, the whole thing. And I would love to have you guys here. You guys, I checked my analytics and over 90% of my viewers are not subscribed but return to watch my videos. You guys, I'm such a small creator. It really does go the extra mile and it helps so much if you guys like and subscribe. Obviously you don't have to if you don't want to. No pressure, but it helps a lot for a small creator. So let's get into this week's weekly vlog. Good morning, happy Wednesday. Hopefully my voice is starting to come back a little bit, but we got all ready today. I feel like this is the first time I've worn makeup in a few days and it feels so good to get back in the makeup game. But we did productive things. We're getting shit done, and you guys, we're in the process of being approved for an apartment right now, finally. So fingers crossed, let's all send up a prayer that it works out. Actually, Keenan, I got an email. Wait, this is so funny. So we've been applying to apartments like crazy. Like I said prior, Amsterdam is in a housing crisis. So there's about, what is it, 400,000 people trying to get apartments and housing.
400,000 houses short.
Getting housing is very, very difficult. You know, we've been working on it for quite a few months now. We've been applying to apartments like crazy because it really is what you can get. Like, it's not something that's like, oh, well, like, I really like this building, I want this apartment. No, it's like what you can get a hold of is what you're gonna live in, pretty much.
Correct.
Anyway, so we've been applying like crazy to places. I got an email back because we accidentally applied to a retirement
shit, really? No, did you put it in? Wait, was that the one that we were looking at?
There was, I don't remember which one it was, but
what did they say?
I literally,
like, what the hell are you doing?
Yeah, basically they were like, unless you're 55 you can't live here.
Oh my gosh.
So I was dying laughing when I saw that. I was like, oh, that's how you know we've really been applying to everything. Yeah. Like, we have been just trying so hard. Let's get unready together. You guys, every time I wear this like red, like tight top, I feel so confident in it. I literally love it. And I got it for like 20 bucks on Amazon and I'm obsessed with it. It honestly, and I'm a Skims fan, so this is a bold statement, but I honestly feel like it's better than Skims. Like, it's just very thick and like strong quality, and it's like not see-through at all. Like, you cannot see my white bright nails through it. It's double lined, it's warm, perfect for fall and winter. Anyway, I literally just like randomly decided to order it one day and have not stopped wearing it since. Keenan and I are about to watch a movie and I always end up falling asleep during movies. Figured now would be a good time to take my makeup off. Thought if I do fall asleep, it's not too big of a deal. I love balm makeup remover. Vanilla Co was the first balm makeup remover that I've ever tried and I absolutely fell in love with, and they were my like ride or die makeup remover for the longest time. Right before I left, they sent like a PR package with like 3 big tubs and then like a bunch of little ones, and I brought the little ones with me, and now after like flying through makeup remover, I'm like, shoot, I wish I brought a few of the big jugs. And there's so many things that I'm like, I wish I brought that, but your girl was rocking with 3 full suitcases, so I literally couldn't bring anything else. But there's so many little things I'm like, oh, I wish I brought that, oh, I wish I brought that, and then I just have to remember I was working with limited weight and limited space. But anyway, look at how cute this little mini one is, and I think this is the last bit of makeup remover I brought over, so we might have to make a trip to the cosmetic stores to find more makeup remover soon, because I don't think this is gonna last me very long. Like, it literally just like makes your makeup literally melt off your skin. I've been telling you guys about the changes I made to my skincare routine, because I can't remember if it was last video, I think it was last vlog, but I was telling you guys about how my skincare was like pilling. Anyway, we already went through that, but I changed my skincare routine, and oh my gosh, it's made the world of difference, because now my skin isn't pilling, and all the little acne I had or bumps or anything like that cleared up like right away. I was literally so happy with the results. I was like, I wish I did that sooner. But I really think that that's like part of getting so much skincare and PR and gifting. Like, I was just so excited to try so many different like skincare things, different brands, that I got a bit ahead of myself and overdid it with the routine. And I definitely learned the hard way that having a simple routine is best. You really don't need to be trying 3 different serums at the same time. Like, that's just so much for your skin to have to deal with. So I've been doing, I mean, I'll show you guys my routine. And I finished some of my products, so this is the first time I'm showing you guys the new products I've been using, where my skin is like literally cleared up so much from it. This is the Real Miracle Clear face wash. I literally love this face wash so much. I've really noticed it helping shrink my pores. Oh my gosh, I love that. My skin feels so clean. I'm gonna take you through my routine. What we already did was take my makeup off using the Clean and Zero Tea Tree X Pore Clarifying Cleansing Balm. Just using a makeup remover and taking off your makeup is not enough. It does not, I promise you, it does not remove it all. I didn't feel like having that thing on my head anymore. I always do a second cleanser, because then you really get it all off your face, and like, oh my gosh, does my skin feel so good. Like, this is the Miracle Clear Exfoliating Cleanser. I love this one. It's gentle and skin smoothing, and it's ideal for acne prone skin. Real's whole acne prone line, I have really loved every product that I've tried from it. And I honestly would not sleep on it if you are acne prone, or even if you just have like those little random breakouts in certain places, because that's kind of where I have. I wouldn't say I necessarily have like acne prone skin. Like, I would just get a few breakouts here and there. So I've tried a few of the other ones, and like, it just cleared up my skin automatically. It was so good. Anyway, then I'm going in with the Beauty Vioccion Glow Replenishing Rice Milk. I do really like this toner. I also dermaplaned my face the other day, and like, oh my gosh, normally if I dermaplane my face, my skin does kind of purge a little bit, break out a little bit, like maybe 1 or 2, and this time it honestly just made my skin look so good and healthy and glowing. And I used argan oil as the oil to dermaplane with, because you don't want to dermaplane on dry skin. You always usually want like an oil or something, and I used Josie Maran argan oil. I feel like my skin actually really enjoyed it. My skin has not looked this good in a minute. Like, not a single breakout. This isn't even a breakout. This has been here for months. I don't know what actually is going on there, but it's flat. But next I'm going in with the Blemish Breakthrough Triple Acid Resurfacing Serum from e.l.f. Skin. This one was one I had to learn how to use, because I was accidentally using way too much of it, but you really only need a little in your T-zone. I was like doing a whole drip down my face, and then I realized that that was just like too much niacinamide for your skin. I just finished the Murad Glycolic serum, and that one was, it was fine. I don't think I would go out and spend my own money on it. Like, it was fine. I enjoyed it. I finished it, didn't have an issue with it, but it wasn't like, oh my gosh, groundbreaking. So I just moved on to the next. If you do want a serum for glow that I really liked, I really liked the Beauty Viocion Glow Serum. That was fantastic. I personally would go back and buy that with my own money. Next, I'm trying the Kiehl's Super Multi Corrective Cream. This would have been my 3rd time putting it on, so I don't have anything to say about it yet. I'm gonna leave this for the morning because, like I said earlier, I don't want to overdo it, and I already put on this serum, so I'm leaving it to toner, serum, eye cream, moisturizer, or if it's during the daytime, toner, serum, eye cream, SPF. So next I'm going in with this looks like the same thing, but it's the eye cream. This is the Kiehl's Super Multi Corrective Eye Zone Treatment. I am like almost out of it. The first time I tried this was actually on our trip to New York. I like how thick it is, and that it's like made to like go under your brow bone too. Like, it just really helps like lift. Now I'm using the Tula 24/7 moisturizer. This is the one that I use at night, or depending on what SPF I use. My skin drinks this moisturizer. And in case anyone was wondering, I have super dry skin. I definitely always am applying anything moisturizing. This is how my skin looks right now. I have a little bit of scarring, a little bit of spots, but I'm honestly just like so happy with how my skin looks right now. Honestly, I think the peeling of the skin was the good little like kick in the butt that I needed to figure out my skincare routine to get it together. Thanks for doing my skincare with me. I will see you guys in the morning. Okay, I think I'm going to close this video out here because tomorrow we are going into Amsterdam for the weekend, and that's going to be a really fun video. So I'm going to close this one here so I can start that one. But thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next Thursday.